And now Hurricane Henri. Dave, what's the latest?
Yeah, that's right. Grace is expected to get a little stronger as it works its way on into Mexico, and Henri out here in the Atlantic as well. Starting first with Grace here, getting a little bit stronger, getting a little bit bigger too in the warm waters of the southern part of the Gulf of Mexico or Bay of Campeche. And you can see here winds right now are at 85, moving west at 14, expected to become a Category 2 hurricane before a landfall between Tampico and Veracruz here in Mexico. Crossing into Mexico, likely weakening over the mountainous terrain here, but it could redevelop in the Pacific. And if it totally dissipates and redevelops, it would get a new name. But if the circulation can maintain itself all the way into the Pacific, it would keep the name Grace. But the new name, if it doesn't go in the Pacific, would be Marty. So it would be interesting to see what that does. As for the latest here, getting a little bit stronger also is Henri, a tropical storm right now. Winds are at 65, but forecast to become a hurricane by Saturday up the East Coast. And look at this, by 7 a.m. Sunday, a Category 1 hurricane potentially making landfall here on Montauk Point there, maybe in New York, Long Island area, back over toward Connecticut, back to Rhode Island, and over Boston is a tropical storm. Now, thing is, up here, they're not used to tropical systems, right? Last time they had a hurricane make landfall up here was 30 years ago, Hurricane Bob. Now, so this could be potentially a new hurricane coming on in and then weakening, but going up along the Maine coast. How about that? That sounds unusual, something you don't see every day. Now, back here at home, we're talking about some cloud coverage, some showers starting to pop up as well. 79 degrees, dew point 71, still very sticky and very humid here across the Gulf South. As you can see here, looking at some dry weather in Birmingham, some showers developing down to our south, but all of it's light rain. A little heavier rain up near the Hamilton area, and watching these cluster of showers, some pretty good downpours coming through Columbus, Starkville area, back down toward Macon, Mississippi. They're going to eventually work their way on into Alabama here over the next few hours, and as they do, could produce some pretty heavy rain for us. Over on into the east, a little bit of some light rain, Ragland, Lincoln, back to Anniston area, heading down toward Talladega as well, but all of that is just some light rain at the moment. We still have a trough of low pressure kind of coming right through our area, and a little upper level wave coming through. That is tapping into the southerly flow from this high pressure in the eastern part of the Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to lead us to getting the threat for some pretty good downpours. So chances are in around 60 to 70% through the afternoon and evening hours. It does taper off a little later on today, and that would be good news for those high school football games. Most kicking off at 6 o'clock, but may have to dodge a few thunderstorms out there. Now, if there's lightning, they're delayed. If there's no lightning, they're going to play in the rain. Sloppy football, right? Well, that'll continue to see less rain as the evening goes on, but may definitely want to have your poncho with you as you head to those games and cheer on your favorite teams. Now, we continue to see some showers trying to build up through the afternoon. Here's 4 o'clock. Some of those scattering of storms kind of building on into the area here through about 6 o'clock. So again, some of those football games will be impacted. Not everybody, though. As we head to 10 o'clock tonight, a little break in the action. Overnight tonight, we'll have some quiet weather until about daybreak tomorrow. Look at this. Scattered storms lining up from north to south here along the I-65 corridor, Tuscaloosa, Moundville, back to Hamilton, including here in Birmingham. Some of these could produce some pretty heavy rain in the morning hours. And look at this. They'll continue through 9 o'clock, continue here through lunchtime. In the afternoon, the heaviest rain pushes to the south. But check this out. Another batch of rain comes in by 6 o'clock in the evening. It may be weakening a little bit because most of the day has been cloudy and rainy, which would be some good news. But if you're heading up to Coleman for the event there this weekend, do be prepared for a little bit of some wet weather up there as the former president makes a visit. Now, as we head on into Sunday morning, look at this, starting off with some cloud cover, but eventually we could see a few showers and storms Sunday afternoon, but it looks like some hotter weather is going to come into play as we go on into the day on Sunday. Now, for rainfall, there's a level 2 out of 4 slight risk for excessive rainfall. That means we could have some flash flooding issues out there between today and tomorrow, and you'll notice here rainfall totals could be about 3/4 of an inch in Birmingham, maybe Alabaster, an inch or so, Tuscaloosa, Fayette area, Hamilton, maybe up to 2.6 inches. So the ground's already saturated, and any rain that does fall is just going to run off. And so then we'll have to potentially watch those rising streams and creeks. So watch out for heavy rain today and tomorrow. Highs only held into the mid-80s. That's not too bad this time of year. Back to 91 on Sunday, which is our average high this time of year. 30% chance for rain and little to no rain Monday and Tuesday. How about a 20% chance? That's it. Highs of 93, but the heat index getting up to about 105 or greater. So got to find ways to stay cool once again.
All right, Dave, thank you. Your time right now is